Hi, my name is Lucas, and today I'm going to be showing you my journey of coding so far. Okay. My journey of coding so far. My first game and only game I made so far was a game where you have to get logged in, make a file with flint and stone. It took a lot of time, but I finally made it. The game had a lot of code and logic. Python. My first step in Python was using Turtle. I made many cool animations with it. Currently, I'm making a multiplayer game that many people can play. Right now, I'm making a game where you can buy weapons, do an hobby, and more. Currently, I am making the shop so people can buy weapons and stuff. Minecraft. Soon I will start Minecraft Java. Minecraft is a video game where you can build or survive. And with Minecraft Java, you can make cool stuff called mods and make servers. All the games involved animations that I make involve lots of code and designing. Python involves the most code, but is easier to design. Roblox involves more codes, but the codes are shorter. Also, Roblox needs more designing than Python. Thank you for listening and goodbye.